देता हूँ। धन्यवाद प्रवीण जी। इस क्रम में अगले वक्ता को मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा, आगे बताएं बिपिन कुमार जी।
Thank you so much. I think I was previously, but Dwayne was misinterpreted. Say, now sir, I am not taking too much time. I introduce Sarasvat-Niketana Sutra on the basis of. Sorry. Listen. So I have taken only 2 to 3 points regarding Sarasvat-Niketana Sutra because I have seen that literary of Sarasvat-Niketana Sutra is much more important regarding research as well as who is just taking interest regarding Sanskrit Buddhism. So I have just taken a few points. First of all, I have taken the grammatical aspects and philosophical aspects and at the last figure of speech. Okay, so when we are talking about Sanskrit Buddhism, we find there are so many texts which are written in Sanskrit. Either it is originally written in Sanskrit or it has been translated from other language to Sanskrit. But if I see Sadharma Pundarik Sutra, it is the most important text in Navadharma text or Vaipulya Sutra. In the very beginning of Upaya Kausal Parivarta, as we know, there are 27 Parivarta in the text, and it has been divided in Parivarta. So Upaya Kausal Parivarta we find in the very beginning, Atha khalu Bhagavan Smritiman Prajanam Tatah Samadhir Vitthito Vitthaya Yusmantam Sari Putram Amantrayati Sma. So when we see the component regarding grammar is not completely in Sanskrit. That's why it is called as hybrid Sanskrit, and in Hindi or Sanskrit we can say Pali Prabhavit Sanskrit. And I have taken different examples from this text regarding hybrid Sanskrit. For example, if the 54th verse, Sutrani bhasami tatheva gatha itivrittakam jatakam adbhutam cha nidana upamya satam cha chitred geyan cha bhashami tathopadeshan. Underline bhashami. Again in 52nd verse, Srutva cha pritis phuta bhunti sarve buddhaya bhavisyami jagat pradhana punasaham janiya tesha charya vaipulya sutrani prakasayami. Again underline bhunti. Again, if you see another point, specifically philosophical aspect, he is narrating regarding the mysterious points. You can see it 24th verse. Aprichato vyaharasi charyam varnesi chatman jnanadhigama kirtesi gabhiram cha bhashase. And justifying Kausal Parivarta Sutra, he is narrating in 22nd verse, Upaya Kausalya